In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear watch history on YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to YouTube TV, which is tv.youtube.com. Once you're here, you want to click onto your user profile in the top right hand corner. And then once this loads, you want to click into settings. And this is going to take you inside settings in your account. And now once you're inside here, on the left hand side, you got all these different tabs. We need to click onto the privacy tab, and then it'll say manage watch history. So go ahead and click onto view. And now you're inside your YouTube TV's history. So from here, it will say YouTube TV, and you go ahead and delete it manually by clicking on the X like so. Or if you want to delete, click on delete all. We can got a few options, so we can delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. If I go ahead and click on delete today, that's going to delete all my search history for today inside YouTube TV.